Those tunnels gone. Aurora's got no way into Ophir anymore. Mission accomplished.
The intensity of the vibrations is soothing, hypnotic. They make me so tired.
Dear old Scott. My machine's caressing you with rumbles. Sweet talking you. Can't go falling asleep on a battlefield, though.
Thanks to you, the city won't ever have to face another attack like the last. All those people wounded because of those broken shutters. Just thinking about it, I feel nauseous.
It's probably the rover. Gotta get used to the vibrations. Most people fucking puke their ass out their first time.
No, I meant the thought of all the... Never mind. I really don't get it. This is war, right? Aurora shows up and blows up part of our city, and how do we retaliate? Send a handful of people like us? I don't get it.
You ever do anything but bitch? Successful mission. Tripping a rover. Hell, if I was you, I'd be grinning ear to ear. Why don't you do that? Bitch less, smile more. I've got, something to ask you.
What can I do for you?
Well, I don't know if you know, but my dad died when I was young. Actually, he disappeared. He never came back from one of his explorations 15 years ago.
I'm sorry. I didn't know.
Yeah, I don't want your pity, okay? It's not about that. What I mean is, I've never managed to find out what kind of mission he was on and where he had gone. I know he was close to Scott. He was probably even his best friend. That old crazy man doesn't want to tell me anything. He says he wants to protect me. Look, I'll just cut to the point. I was wondering if you'd maybe look in his dispensary for me. See if you could find any of my father's notes, or letters, or...
I don't know, Amelia. Scott's like a father to me. And besides, you know he's almost always there. How would I even do it?
I'm not asking you to break in or steal nothing. Just keep him busy. And while you are there, you know, just flip through files. I'm sure he kept letters between him and my dad. He's not one to throw anything away.
All right. I'll try to make him leave, but if I don't find anything...
Yeah, I won't blame you. But I know that you're going to find something.
Mein Gott, die Frauen und ihre Wünsche, gell? Jetzt könnt ihr allerdings, pass auf, meine Waffen verbessern. Was gibt denn da drin? Scheinbar nichts, gell? Pass auf. Schnell mal ohne. Ja, pass auf, meine Waffen. Erkundung, scheiße. Und zwar das Sichelmesser. Pass auf, der Handschutz und der Griff. Was geht denn da? Pass auf, einmal Schaden. Einmal Schaden und einmal Unterbrechung, oder? Oder so einmal Schaden. Kritische Treffer, nimm das. Das schaut doch nicht. Der Streitkolben. Also, der war besser schon. 38. Also, Schaden-Upgrade, ja gut. Nehmen wir gleich nochmal. Mehr Schaden ist immer gut, gell? Der Stab, ja, pass auf. Der Schädel. Achso, das haben wir schon. Ja gut, das war's. Zu dem haben wir einen Aufstieg. Und bei Stufe 17 jetzt wieder. Ja, bist du wahnsinnig. Mein Gott. Erhöht die Chance auf eine Unterbrechung des Angriffs um 20%. Nimm das da. Den anderen Krampf brauche ich gar nicht. Darf ausrüsten. Dann wir den da recyceln. Leg das. Okay, Lehrbuben, jetzt gehen wir. Wo gehen wir hin? Da kann ich nicht mehr vorbeischauen, ha? Schauen wir vorbei. Wo bin ich jetzt? Ein Split ausrammen, mein Gott. Die arme Frau, gell? Jetzt wird von mir auch noch bestohlen. Da geht aus sie. Schauen wir halt schnell mal vorbei, gell? Wenn er schon ums Eck ist.
Hello, Scott. My captain told me that she wanted to see you.
Is it related to you? Are you sick?
No. Not that I know of. She didn't tell me why.
Oh, well, should I take my pouch then? It's an important question. I should still take it though, but it's a little heavy. All right, I'm leaving without it.
Jetzt habe ich den Trecker da gelungen, gell? Aber hilft nicht. Seine Taschen, wo die? Wo sagt er? Ach, da hinten. Da drin? Wie sagt er, aufheben?
I think I have a problem with going through your friend's things. I hope whatever you're looking for, it's worth it.
I'm trying to find information about the past. It's personal, okay?
Forget it. I couldn't understand. The officers, they aren't like us. They're
Wo
above.
sind die? Mei, oh mei. Ich will da noch Bericht erstatten. Beim Obertechnomanten. Leute, ich hab neue Informationen.
Hello, Mancer.
Hello? I found some of your father's letters.
I knew it. Tell me.
Most of the correspondence was friendly. They were very close. However, there was some tension between them over time. Some letters gloss over an expedition that they had done together, but what surprised me the most is when your father talks about a boy who was actually Scott's son. The last letter I found is a bit bizarre. I didn't really understand what he meant.
What did he mean? Do you remember?
Your dad begged Scott to stop the madness, warning that his wife's divorce was only the beginning of what he would lose if he couldn't face the truth. That it was too late for his son. He seemed to think Scott was on the verge of self-destruction.
It's true that it's rather mysterious. Scott, a son. Did you know?
No, he never told me about him. He obviously lost him. No doubt it's still a touchy subject.
We have to find out what this is all about. You have to ask his wife. Did my father really mean to interfere in his family drama? Maybe that's why he disappeared? Please, Zachariah!
Rede mit Scotts Ex-Frau. Mein Gott. Was habe ich denn mit dem Familiendrama zum Tor, ha? Ich bin doch gerade ein Technomant. Okay, Leute, jetzt gehen wir zurück zur Börse. Aber hurtig. Etwas hurtig zur Börse. Wo ist denn da hingegangen? Finde den Händler am Treffpunkt. Nein, ich mag nicht. Ich mag doch nicht, ich mag zum Obertechnomanten. Den muss ich gerade finden.
Did you hear? They finally got the psychopath who took a hostage.
Oh? How?
A
Mann, das
Technomancer
ist ein
officer.
Scheiß.
The whole thing was completely nuts.
Es gibt keine Geiseln.
Lunatic only did it so they wiped his gambling debts.
Also bestimmt ist. Hey, warte mal, wie schaut da drin aus?
You already back, Lieutenant Zachariah?
Ach, der Schattenpfad. Ja, pass auf.
Captain, all Aurora tunnels were destroyed. If they're gonna get back into the city, they'll have to come up with another way.
I knew you wouldn't let me down, Lieutenant. Find Ryan and get your pay. It was well earned.
So, my lady. Ihn da ich nur. Und dafür kriegt er eine Bezahlung. Das lobe ich mir.
Hi.
Lieutenant, how can I help you?
Captain Eliza told me to come find you for my pay.
Indeed, I've been expecting you. Here you go.
Serum und ein Stachelschild. Geil. Ein Stachelschild. Sagt das was? Plus 14. Mein Gott. Das kann der schenken. Das ist Klump. Da hätte ich lieber ein bisschen eine Rüstung gekriegt. Ja, pass auf. Jetzt gehen wir noch zum Oberteknomanten und dann machen wir Pause. Ich glaube, wir heute langt wieder. Wie ein das da? So, wen der Oberteknomant? Der da vorne. Der Meister Connor. Der mag ich nicht.
Zachariah, a pleasure as always. What may I do for you?
I've returned, Great Master, with the relic from the Aurora evacuation. It's a tablet filled with text, and I don't have a clue how to decipher it.
A glorious day. You have no idea what this means, Zachariah. The language is indeed difficult, and most no longer have the knowledge or ability to understand it. Most, but not me. I will begin deciphering immediately. We will know soon enough the vast wealth of secrets it holds. Sean was certainly right in his appraisal of you. Your worth has already proven to be infinitely valuable. A word of warning, Zachariah. Words spreading about your missions. Things you've been able to accomplish, filled with troubling details that imply you have a mole in your midst. If there is an ASC spy amongst your ranks, he will not only know our secret, but eventually share it back to his master. We will, in no uncertain terms, be lost. All will be lost. So take care. And take care of it. Sooner rather than later.
Thank you for the warning. I assure you, I will get to the root of this. Are you so sure that it's a spy?
Indeed. The details of your mission were so specific that they were assuredly gained firsthand. So unless you are spreading the information yourself, who else is left but Captain Eliza and your men? Whoever it is, make sure they see nothing else. Ensure that our secret is kept safe.
Jetzt werden wir erstmal Pause machen. Und zwar machen wir wieder Trumpause, gell? In meinem Zimmer. Ich meine, wenn ich schon hab, dann nutzen wir sie. Wie schaut das aus? Ich glaube, irgendwelche Erfahrungspunkte habe ich nicht gekriegt. Davon hätte ich gerne ein bisschen mehr, damit ich aufsteige. Was tun Sie wieder, ha? Bazüngi.
You already back, Lieutenant Zachariah?
Die weiß nichts, gell? Von einem Spion. Geheimhaltung. Eine streng geheime Technomantenaufgabe. Aber, wo sind denn die? Da bleiben, gell? Okay, Leute. Und da machen wir Pause. Und das nächste Mal suchen wir uns die Spione und löschen den die Lampen aus. Servus.